So democratizing data, that was like maybe the V1, right? Is like, how do we get the right data into the hands of the right folks? And then to my earlier point, they can make better answers, make better decisions. And now I think the V2 is that there are a lot of instances in which product teams or CX teams need to run to engineering to have a question answered. And now I feel like with the current tool set, that is no longer the case, right? We see an API response code. We see a microservice go down. We no longer have to run to engineering. They can actually retain their core focus on building the digital products that we all love, that our customers love, and we can actually source out those issues ourselves. And that does two key things. The first is that now when we go to engineering and say, hey, there's a problem, we're not just vague about it. It's not abstract. And we say, hey, we think something's going on. This looks kind of broken. We're not sure what's going on. And then they have to do a bunch of triage. We have to figure out what the problem is. So that's number one. We go to them with a guided POV on what we're seeing. And then the second is quantifying that impact, right? This is what it's doing to conversion. This is how it's impacting the funnel. And as a result, now we can tell them, this is how we believe you should prioritize this work rather than leaving them to their own devices. So I think it leaves all teams much happier and much better off.